Okay, let's. So, what I'm showing today is a proof of concept for edtech companies. Uh, so, the problem statement which I'm trying to solve is like every edtech company is selling their courses. They might be selling their course for data science or maybe data analytics or maybe different fields for skilling of maybe the users. Okay, so the big problem is at the end of the day, or maybe when the course will be finished, a big problem is they have to hire some of the people to only see the resumes of the learner and to tell them when to update their resume, how to update their resume. Or maybe some of the learner don't know maybe which course to take after. Maybe I have taken module 1, now which module to take after this module. Or maybe this time I have maybe cracked one job, but again I don't know how to continue with the portal, or how to continue with other modules. Okay, so the big problem over here is uh, they are not getting personalized recommendation on their resumes. And if you will provide them personalized recommendation, then you have to hire peoples just to scan their resumes, and those people will be we can say totally into resume understanding. And then you need and then those people have to tell like how to update the resume and stuff. Okay, so I guess that is time taking. And again, everyone want to interact with the top uh, person. Okay, nobody is maybe happy to talk with any of the mentee or any of the mentor. So that's the problem of the mentees. So now what I have done is I have made this system which I am running right now. Okay, so what will happen over here is right now I'm using Streamlit just to I used Streamlit just to make the front end, so that there will be it will be less time consuming. Okay, so what this what this proof of concept will do is we will give one front end to the we can say learner. And the he can come up with any we can say resume which he likes. And then rest is totally upon our system. Okay, this system. Okay, so there are two modes, one is user mode and one is admin mode. We will get into the admin mode, but let's get into user mode first. Okay, so just so here you have to drop your resume. For now, let's say you have to drop your resume which is only in PDF. It will not work maybe for we can say docs and other thing. But let's choose this resume. Okay, let's choose this resume, and let's put it over here. Now it will be uploaded, and it will suggest to you directly like what course you have to take, what are your skills, and what you need to acquire to maybe get selected into the job roles. So this is someone. Okay, so these are the email, phone, locations and everything. So what it is doing, what this POC is doing, it will extract all the components of the resume, and it will show you the analysis report for that. So if you are thinking this is only a resume parser now, so what we are trying to do is we are trying to pass this thing, and now you can see it is analyzing it. So Mr. Datta is the person. Okay, and then Datta data it is extracting, which is not that correct. But again, this is only proof of concept, so don't maybe expect much from it. But this is Deep Jyoti Datta. Okay, just and that's the thing. That's the email that is extracting. This is the phone number, which is not. Again, there are some problem, I guess. No, this phone number is correct. So this thing is correct again. And then after that, we have number of pages, and it is saying you are at your experience level is maybe your expertise. Okay, you are you are experienced person. So let's check if he is experienced or not. So he is having 2 year 3 months working experience over here, and again more working experience. So that means resume, that means parser is predicting is correct. He is one expert guy. These are the current skill, that is analytics and then reports, and maybe he have done some work in health industry, and then some related work with emails, SAP, require requests, underwriting, banking, metrics, statics. These things he have done. Okay, after that, if we will see, look into recommendation. So recommendation are like he need to focus more on visualization part, clustering, classifications, web scraping, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Flask, and all these things. These recommendation can be again improved. I'm not saying these are the exact thing he have to go with, but can be improved. Okay, and after that, what we are doing for, the real magic start from here. Now uh, the tech company can recommend their own modules which they have made. Maybe they have made one data science with Python course which they want this guy to maybe take. Okay, so again we can increase the recommendation up to 10, but right now let's only we want let's say we want only 6 recommendations. So that's the thing. So now it will show us 6 recommendation. Right now it is running. Okay, so uh, like this we can simply attack institute can suggest him these courses, and then what will happen, firstly he will by saying the recommendation, like he will not bother uh, more people. Okay, the people who are into resume scanning or maybe understanding the resume, and then there will be a feedback loop. Now he can understand it by himself and he can update his resume to the finest he can. Okay, now he have a support for that, and again if he want to learn more based on his skill and everything, he is we are recommending him 5 to 6 courses. Okay, so that's how he can learn more from these courses, and that's how we can upsell, we can downsell, we can cross sell, we can do anything. Okay, and then there are some tips which can be changed, and then there is some resume score. Okay, which can be again increased. Meanwhile, just showing you, let's say this is the introduction to machine learning with TensorFlow. So these are all the free courses, I guess. So we'll go with this. Okay, so you can see this is the course from Udacity. Okay, so right now I am only recommending these courses because I don't have a proper list of all the courses which the institute will offer. Okay, so these courses will be recommended based on the different course the adtech have made for their customers. Okay, so this is the magical part. This is the magical part. Okay, and after that, now okay, this is fine, but again this is the user part. Then we will go to the admin part. Okay, and if we will move to the admin part, let's log in to the admin part. Okay, and let's see what magic will happen in the admin part. So here in the admin part you will see, so we are collecting all the data. So last data which was updated was of Datta, Mr. Datta, Deep Jyoti Datta. Okay, so what I am doing over here is we are saving name, email, resume score, timestamp at which this guy maybe uploaded all these things, then total number of pages his resume was having, then predicted fields, and then user level, and then actual skills, and after that the recommended skills. Okay, so based on this the company may take proper decisions, or I can say uh, data driven decisions. Okay, because now you know the customer who is coming to you, what are his actual skills, and now you know what to recommend him, and from like from this you can sell your courses more and to some of the specific people. Okay, So that's the thing. I guess this will be very useful in maybe upselling or cross selling. So that's the thing. This is what I want to this is what I was thinking, like this will be very helpful for those startups to take an edge on other startup. So this is what I was trying to maybe show you. And again, for the sake of just representation, I will take one more resume. Maybe I will take a resume of this girl. Okay, just drop it over here. And right now we are in the user section, as you can see. So yeah, so just I will drag it more up, and these are all the contact details. And as you can see, work experience, this is data intern. Okay, again intern, again Python developer. Okay, so let's see what is being analyzed out of this resume. As you can see, algorithms, there are machine learning in Python, deep learning, and after the linear logistic. And then we have DTs, then we have random forest, some of the bagging stuff over here. Then clustering, we can see some of the deep learning part we can see, and the Bayesian uh, things related with the stats. So the name is correct, and after that email is correct, contact is correct, and page is correct. So so we are saying she is a fresher. Okay, so as if we will see the resume, so I guess she looks like as in fresher. Okay, so yeah, so because 10 to 12, and that was basically 2 months, and after that 2019 present. So like according to her resume, she is a fresher. Okay, so that's the thing. Now the current skills are English she have written, but let's ignore this skill. And then we have TensorFlow. We can remove those skills, okay, from here only. Then we have parser. Then she have parser means she have done some of the task on OCRs and those things. Pandas, Keras, banking. So she have worked on some banking domain maybe. So let's go over there. Genpad, building solution for complete problem and analytics. I don't know. Maybe there must be some bank over here where she have worked. Okay. Then recommendation is bit of data visualization, predictive analysis, data analysis. Keras is there. TensorFlow, Flask, Streamlit, PyTorch, probability, quantitative analysis, scikit-learn, and web scraping. Data mining, clustering. Okay. So and what are the recommended courses? So these will be the recommended courses. Okay. Yeah, so as I told you, there the magic will happen. Okay, so now this time I am increasing it to maybe 8 or maybe 7. It is processing it will. So and then we have resume tips. Awesome, you have added your hobbies, you are added your achievements. This thing can be changed accordingly. Okay, no problem. And this is the score 40. Okay, so it will recommend more 2 more courses, and it is running for now. Okay. mm, so it is under process. Let's see what it will recommend more. So it is recommending this TensorFlow machine learning certifications, and then data science foundation it is recommending from LinkedIn, and data science master program that is of IBM. Okay. So this is what it is recommending. Again, you will click it and you will go there. Not a big deal. You will click it, and again same thing will happen. The ad tech who is offering all this thing, this thing will be maybe they will be able to sell those products. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So now again, this was the user part. Again we will go to the admin part. This is the admin part, and again I have to maybe uh, put some credentials, and that's it. We are inside to the admin part, and these again this is the user data, but the last resume was of Priyanka Srivastava. Okay, so these are the credentials again, and these are the recommended courses for her. So now you can maybe target your customer based on what the course are being recommended to them and what are their skills. And meanwhile your customers are getting a personalized resume for them. So I guess this is a win-win for both the parties. So that will be, I think this solution will be more useful for both the parties. And that edtech institutions can earn maybe good amount by applying all these solution. Okay, so I guess for now I will have to stop it.